Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just very excited for this video because I have a beautiful thing to show you guys. And Covergirl came out with so many different shades, and not only are the shades amazing, but the formula is amazing, the wear is amazing, everything is amazing about this foundation. And I've been wearing it, well, I'm wearing it right now, and I wore it yesterday to try it out before I filmed this video because I wanted to let you guys know how I love it and what I don't like about it. And I have worn it already, so I can give you guys like my honest review or opinion on this foundation. And they also have 4 different primers which are amazing. I tried the color Neutralizing one, which I'll show you guys in a little bit, and this one helps with redness. Then they have the skin smoothing one, which is my favorite. It just really smooths the skin and it preps your face for foundation, and it gives you like this flawless canvas. And then they have the illuminating one, which is to just give you like that glowy natural glow skin, and a pore minimizing one to blur out your pores. Honestly, I feel like this collection is amazing. The foundations, the primers, super exciting. And I'm just like really excited that they included primers in here to try them out because it makes a huge difference on your skin. So I'm gonna go on and show you guys how I apply the foundation and how it looks. And honestly, I feel like this foundation has full coverage. It's buildable, it's breathable, it minimizes pores, it's long wearing, it does not look cakey, and I do have a little bit of redness going on, so I want you guys to see how well it covers. I'm just going to moisturize my face with this Patchology Aqua Flash moisturizer because my skin is a little dry, and this definitely helps with dryness. And this is a matte foundation. I do have dry skin, so I always make sure that when I do wear a matte foundation that I have to hydrate. This one is the Skin Smoothing Primer. They do have different types of primers, but I really like how the smoothing one looked on my skin. The green one would be really good because my skin is dry. Let me grab that green one, and I'm gonna apply a little bit and I'm gonna see what it does. I'm actually gonna put the smoothing one on first, just so it can smooth my skin. And I'm just applying that with my fingers. Okay, so I got that one all over. Well, not all over, but mainly like the center part of my face. And now I'm gonna take the green one. It's very lightweight. It feels very lightweight. But since my skin is always red, maybe this is what I need to put on first. Even though the foundation covered up my redness when I tried it yesterday, it actually smells really good. It's very light. It's not a strong smell, but I don't know, it reminds me of like high school. I'm going to apply it all over, and this one matches my neck more because my face is obviously lighter. And this is how I normally apply my foundation. I just scatter it all over the place. Going to grab my Real Technique sponge and just apply it on my face. See, I didn't try this one on my face yesterday, but now that I'm looking at it, I feel like this is actually my shade. Like, I don't have to mix it. Yes. So I'm just going to conceal, and I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I feel like concealer is just like my favorite part, especially when you already have eye makeup, because it looks a little crazy when you don't have concealer on but you do have shadow on. you have to even it out so you don't look like a raccoon. So I'm just going to set it with this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder that looks like this. It feels wet even if you don't use a sponge. I'm just going to quickly apply my bronzer, gloss, and everything. And of course, I'll list everything that I use down below. I do want to talk about this lip gloss because it's been like my go-to and I get asked a lot. This is also by Covergirl. This is the Katy Perry collection in shade Catalog. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's just a beautiful nude that has like hints of like gold, like champagne. It's just so beautiful and I'm a huge fan of nudes. So I do want to talk about the claims of this foundation, and I'm just gonna go and read what came in the booklet. So in the front it says, because we listen, it says Covergirl set out to create a foundation that works for all skin types. So we listened to you and were inspired to create a Trublend matte made foundation. Inclusive of all of skin needs, Trublend matte made minimizes pores, controls shine, feels comfortable on your skin, and stays put for 12 hours. Now that the foundation is set, it feels very lightweight, it feels breathable, it doesn't feel like I have foundation on. I hate that feeling, especially for the spring and summertime. I hate the feeling of sticky or heavy foundation, so this definitely feels amazing on the skin. It does come with 40 shades of foundation. It says it's easy to navigate with 4 shade range, and that's where the light, medium, tan, and deep come in, with warm, cool, and neutral undertones. So it is oil free, and I love that it's oil free because I feel like foundations that carry oil just break me out very, very fast. Even though I have dry skin, I'll tend to get oily on my forehead, and my forehead is normally really, really dry, but it'll end up being very shiny at the end of the day if a foundation has oil. So I'm very, very happy that it's oil free. It says transfer resistant, aka won't rub off on your favorite white tee. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing white t-shirt. Pore minimizing for smooth and even selfie ready skin. So I do notice, I don't know if it's the primer, if it's the foundation, but my pores, I have very bad pores, and I just hate that when you're in person, like if you see me in person, my pores just like scream at you. But in pictures or like right now, you probably can't even tell, but it's always like in person in certain lighting that my pores look really bad. But I have like really big bright lights in here and my pores just look super smooth, and it looks like I don't even have pores. So the pore part is a yes. All day comfort wear, so you can put it on and not worry about your skin feeling cakey or dry. So that's amazing. So even if you have dry skin, I feel like with the primers that I use, it looks flawless. And honestly, I feel like it looks better in person than in camera, which is always a plus. I do want to talk about the primers because primers are obviously important. So it all depends on your skin type. My skin is dry and sensitive, and I didn't have a problem with the foundation yesterday. So the primers, there's 4 primers. There's a smoothing, so it visibly smooths skin for the perfect canvas, which I love. Color neutralizing neutralizes redness and helps correct uneven skin tone. Pore minimizing, which is the next one that I want to try, visibly reduces and blurs pores while mattifying the skin. And the illuminating one has pearl pigments, which helps with illuminating and hydrating the skin to enhance skin's radiance. So if you love that glowy look, which I know I'm gonna go for, that one is gonna be perfect for you. And honestly, the primers are amazing, and I can't wait to try the pore minimizing and the illuminating one because I just fell in love with the skin smoothing one, which was the first one that I tried, and the color neutralizing, which helped with my redness. So I'm just very, very proud of these products. This just feels really nice. Like it just feels like I'm wearing nothing, and I can like kind of touch my face. So that's awesome. I'm not gonna smudge my face with my shirt, but I'm gonna lay on it and I'm pushing it. That is amazing. Let's do that again. Let's go this side. You guys, I don't want to rub it because I don't want to like But you know how like you hug people sometimes? Oh my goodness, that is freaking amazing. Like my husband hugged me the other day and I was wearing, I don't know what foundation I was wearing, but I had to like set it with powder and everything. And his shirt, it was a black shirt. Let me try it on a black. His shirt was all types of dirty with foundation. Like I can see my blush, highlight, contour, and foundation on his shirt. Even on black. That is amazing. Oh my god. See, I wouldn't have known that if I wouldn't have read this. Does it say it on the bottle? I don't think it says it on the bottle. Guys, that is... You know when you go to events and you just like hug people? Well, I know that's gonna be like my go-to foundation. So I'm really happy with that because I just get like so nervous sometimes to hug people because I just like look at their shirt after I hug them. I'm like, oh my god, like did I get foundation on them? So I like give like the makeup artist hug, like, you know, like I'm not trying to be like rude or anything, but I just don't want my foundation to get on your beautiful clothes. But I'm very happy with that. That's really amazing. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.